God, what? Oh. Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to say thank you for the support we've gotten so far. I think we're up to 200 subscribers now. I just wanted to let you guys know I now have keychains available on my website. Check the link in the description below. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and pick yourself up a keychain. So pretty soon we're going to have a lot of videos on the Datsun and on the Skyline, so hit like and subscribe to keep updated on those. Thank you. All right, so I'm here in my pit in Medford at Affinity Speedway, or Affinity Circuit. And I'm gonna try and take the air compressor bracket off to see if I can see the hole in the block a little bit better. And maybe I can tie the piston up out of there and see if it'll run without knocking. It'll blow up anyway. I'm just curious. I wanna look around and see how much damage I did. Obviously it's toasted, it's not fixable, so I just wanna take a look at it. I'll show you guys what the hole looks like. I think I showed you earlier, but let's see if I can get in here. Okay, let's see. It's behind, yeah, it's hard to see because it's behind this power steering bracket, but there we go. So I'm gonna take the power steering bracket off and see what it looks like under there. Okay, I got all the bolts out. Let's see if I can get this bracket off. Shoo! There it is. Okay. Let me pull that out of my way. Well, she did, eh? That's pretty done. Yeah. All right, so it's day 2, Saturday. We're out here. I blew the wheel bearing up on Tom's car because I did not put the lock nut on the axle. But to my defense, the lock nut could not go on. It was fully stripped. And through yesterday, I noticed the rear wheel was getting more and more cambered out, and my handbrake, or Tom's handbrake, kept like binding, and it'd get really loose, and then the rear wheel would feel like it was dragging. So got it back into the pits, jacked it up. The rear wheel bearing's toasted. I'll show you what it looks like. We went ahead and already started pulling everything apart. The rear wheel bearing completely separated from itself. There it is. Where's the other piece? We've got right here, that's the race, completely snapped. The caliper had some like rub marks on it from the rotor walking around so much, and this is a brand new rotor and it's kind of toasted, but we're gonna run it. So I'm gonna go walk around pits and see if anybody has a 5-lug hub. And if you're watching this and I bought the 5-lug hub off of you, thank you very much. I love you. So we're gonna go try and find a 5-lug hub and see if we can get this thing fixed so we can keep going.
I was gonna try and save them and then I decided on it. Sorry. Goodness, have these in your car.
All right, so we got a wheel bearing. Tom is putting it back together as we speak, and it is extremely dry today. Yesterday was the rain, wet, just constant wet. And it was like we were ice skating out there, and it was a lot of fun. It was slow speed, kind of feel the car out, but it was hard. It was just too slippery. So today is real nice and dry. Now we're worried we're gonna be running all our tires out, but at least we'll get some consistent driving because the rain was horrible. I just traded the 240 for the 350Z. Gonna go ahead, and the only problem on the 350 is it had this bent tie rod because he was driving it all weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this tie rod out and slap it back on, and hopefully the car will be able to get me home. I might even take it out for a couple laps here, Bash, and see how she performs. But I am super stoked. I am filthy. It's our last day of Bash to the Future. I've only had one shower. I stink. All my clothes are wet. It was raining for 3 days straight. I'm ready to go home. I'm so excited. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix this tie rod and slap it back on and go do a run in the 350. So it is Monday morning. We are out here on track cleaning up trash, and we're gonna be putting dirt back in the holes where everybody was dirt dropping. There's a big one there. So pretty much this morning we might be moving some dirt. It did just rain a whole lot, so I don't know if Corey still wants to move dirt today. So we're just out picking up extra trash while we wait for everybody else to wake up. I'm exhausted. It was a long trip. I probably got 5 hours of sleep last night, and we get to drive home all the way back to Reno. I'm excited to feel the new car. Should be a lot of fun. Got some trash over here. Ooh, some more wheel shreds. So hopefully all is well with the 350Z on the way home, and that'll be the new project car. But for now, I'm gonna get back to cleaning. I'll see you guys later. Well, this is it, you guys. I traded the car. It's going off to Tristan. I'm really, really sad to see it go. I put so much work and time and effort into this thing. But, you know, things happen, life goes on. We got a new project on our hands, so I'm excited to see what happens. That's it for us here at Drift Evolution. Bash to the Future 9, I believe. So it was a blast. I had so much fun. Tom's car did absolutely incredible. We had a few little hiccups, little, you know, suspension coming loose, but that happens, you know. So that's pretty much it for us. I got me a new car. Got to say goodbye to my old car, but I made some really cool friends on the way. So big tear, but hey man, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.